So have you heard of the online trading app called Webull and wondered how is it different from Robinhood? Is it good for beginners? And what exactly can you invest in? Well, today I'm going to be going through all of that plus much, much more. Hi everyone, this is Camilla, the Focus Spender, and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I teach you how to get out of debt, save more money, and invest so that you can build wealth and leave a lasting legacy. So today I'm going to be going over the Webull app, and I have to be honest, I have been looking at the Webull app for like a year or two, and every time I try and go on, I'm like, this is a lot. This is a lot. The app is definitely a lot more intimidating than most of the apps that I like to use. And so I just have been really hesitant about even, trying out the app or talking about it on my channel, because I figured, you know what? Well, Robinhood is good for everyone. You can trade, you can do what you need to do. So I don't need to talk about the Webull app. But obviously, a few months ago when Robinhood was having their issues, a lot of people started switching over to Webull. A lot of people have just been thinking about Webull a lot more. And so I figured, well, this is probably a good time to go in, give it a try, and let you guys know what my thoughts are. So today, that's what we're going to be doing. So Webull is an online stock trading platform that's headquartered in New York, but it is based out of China by a company called Fumi Technology. They offer commission-free trades and they offer extended hours. With Webull, you can open 3 different types of accounts. You can open a cash account, a margin account, and when you have your cash or margin account, you can also open up an IRA. So the platform, like I said, is 100% free to use. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. The app is only for US citizens. However, you can use it in various countries like the US, obviously, India, Brazil, Turkey, the Philippines, Malaysia, Japan, China, and Korea. And on their website, if you're based someplace else and you really, really want to use it, you can reach out to them to see if you can get onto their waiting list. So who exactly is this app for? From looking at the app, I would not say it's for beginners. It's definitely something better suited for someone that's intermediate or advanced. There's a lot of things you can do on the app. You can definitely do day trading. They have all these charts that you can create. They have simulators. They have a really robust screener for stocks, but you cannot do fractional shares and you cannot do dividend reinvestment. This is not an app right now for someone that wants to do passive investing or long-term investing. This really is something better suited for a day trader because it has all the features of a platform that you would expect to see a day trader use. Even when you go into the app, it looks like something built specifically for a day trader as opposed to a different type of app like M1 Finance or Stash, which is definitely very, very beginner friendly. So let's just go directly into the app so that I can give you a brief tour. If you do want to try out the app, they offer 2 free stocks once you fund your account with at least $100, and they frequently run different types of promotions. So at the time of recording this video, the promotion is 2 free stocks, but in a month, they might have a promotion for 3 free stocks or 4 free stocks. You literally just have to click on the link just to see what is the promotion that's going on right now. Okay, so this is the Webull home screen. On the home screen, you'll see more information, basic information about Webull. If you go to market, you'll get an overview of the market, the top gainers, the top losers, most active, IPOs. One thing I forgot to mention is that you can invest in IPOs. Different earnings information. They'll give you information about different industries, ETFs, and then cryptocurrency as well, and Forex if that's something you're interested. So there's a lot of information on their market screen. Now, when you're ready to start trading, you would click on the trade button, and then it takes you into their actual app. If you click on unlock, so one feature that they have is that when you're using the app, even though I logged in, I still have to click on unlock and put in a different passcode to get in. So now that I'm in, now I can do more things like placing orders, things to that nature. So if you come to the left, here is where you have, this button will allow you to add to your watch list for the stocks that you're watching, so that you can keep an eye out on stocks that you are interested in. It gives you more news about the stocks that are on your app list. If you click on stocks, this is where you can get even more information about the stocks that you're interested in, or do research about stocks that are not on your watch list. Let's say I'm gonna invest in Target, then I can click on Target, and then I can start charting. I can look at the charts about Target, whether I'm looking at it on a minute-to-minute basis, an hour-to-hour basis, or the performance by day. So you can get a lot of information about various stocks. It has all of the news about Target listed below. There. Then if I click on markets, then I can get information on different markets, whether it's the US, Hong Kong, the global market, cryptocurrency. Everyone's favorite Dogecoin is right here. The price is going up and down. And because they have extended hours, like, this stuff is just not, it's not static. It's just going to keep on going. Here they have a screener. Let's say you want to just research stocks on a broader basis and you want to put in different parameters. You can do so here. So let's say I want to look at all the stocks in Canada, I don't know, and they're traded on one of these particular markets. I don't know the Canadian markets, so I'm just looking it up, and I'm clicking on a sector like industrial goods. Oh, nothing. Or transportation. What's up with Canada? Okay, so I'll click on all, and then I can look at a screener. So if I do that for the US, to make it more applicable for US citizens, I can click on the New York Stock Exchange. I can click on food and beverage, or personal and housing, things to that nature. Let's say I stick with food and beverage. Now I can create a whole watch list around these stocks that are in my screener, so I can start paying attention to the stocks that I want to potentially purchase. Then if you click on the trade, then this is where you would actually do your trades. So I already have a stock listed for Peloton. I'm not actually going to buy Peloton right now, but I have my Peloton that I looked up earlier. I can see that the current price is $116, and down here I can put in the shares that I want. So like I said earlier, you're not buying fractional shares. You don't have to buy like 10, 50, 100, 500. You can buy smaller quantities if you want, but you cannot do fractional shares. And then you can say, okay, I want to buy 3 shares of Peloton at the market price. So basically, as soon as the New York Stock Exchange or whatever they're trading on is open, it will just go ahead and buy it at whatever price it opens at. Or you can set it to a limit order, so that you're saying, I want to buy it 3, but the price needs to be $114 or less. So basically, if it's going up and up, then you're not buying, but the second it hits 114, you will buy it. And you can do, let's say I had stocks already, then I could do the same thing with selling, in terms of once the stock goes to a certain price, I want it to sell. One really cool feature about Webull that I like is the fact that they offer paper trading. And so paper trading is basically a simulation where they give you fake money, and then so my account value in my paper trading account is $1 million. So they give you $1 million, and then you can create your own portfolio and see how well you're doing, or see how much money you can earn in this fake money. So it's a very good tool for someone who really wants to start, playing around with the stock market, and doesn't want to use their own money. They're just trying to learn. This is a great way to learn without losing $1. So even though overall I think this app is not for beginners, if nothing else, it can definitely be overwhelming. Honestly, I was very overwhelmed. Every time I've come into this app, I'm like, oh, I don't know if this is for me. I do really like the fact that you can do paper trading because that allows you to learn. So that is the Webull app. If you want to try it out, I have a link below that will get you 2 free stocks once you deposit $100 into the account. You can get your free stocks. If you have some stocks that you're interested in buying, you can buy it. You can just use it to purchase ETFs as well, or you could just take advantage of the paper trading portion of the app so that you can really get your footing if you're feeling overwhelmed. Because trust me, I am feeling overwhelmed. But as I learn much more about the Webull app and get my footing, I'm definitely going to be doing some more videos because I do think that it is most beneficial for you and I to understand more about trading, whether or not we ever want to become day traders. I'm not about to become a day trader, but in case you do, this is definitely a good, robust platform for you to try out. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Thanks, bye-bye.